In this video, we are going to solve this particular integral. So, let f of x be given as 3 cos of x plus 4 sin of x to the power 2 over 3. So, d by dx of f of x is what? 2 over 3. 3 cos x plus 4 sin of x to the power minus 1 over 3. And times the differentiation of this inner term, which is minus 3 sin of x plus 4 cos of x. Okay, so let's multiply this term with this bracket. So we get 3 cos of x plus 4 sin of x to the power minus 1 over 3 times 8 over 3 cos x minus 2 sin of x. At the same time you can write f of x as 3 cos x plus 4 sin x to the power minus 1 over 3 plus 1, which is 3 cos of x plus 4 sin of x to the power minus 1 over 3 times 3 cos of x plus 4 sin of x to the power 1, which we don't actually need to write. Okay, now take g of x as e to the power x over 2. So differentiation of gx is equal to e to the power x over 2 by 2. Now look at f dash of x times g of x plus f of x times g dash of x. This is equal to what? 3 cos x plus 4 sin x to the power minus 1 over 3 times 8 over 3 cos x minus 2 sin of x times e to the power x over 2 plus 3 cos x plus 4 sin of x to the power minus 1 over 3 times 3 cos x plus 4 sin of x times e to the power x over 2 by 2. So if you take this terms common, what we get is this 3 cos x plus 4 sin of x to the power minus 1 over 3 times e to the power x over 2 times 8 by 3 cos of x minus 2 sin of x plus 3 over 2 cos x plus 2 sin of x. So this cancels out. We get e to the power x over 2 times 3 cos of x plus 4 sin of x to the power minus 1 over 3 times 8 over 3 plus 3 by 2 cos x, which is equal to what? E to the power x over 2 times cos of x divided by cube root of 3 cos of x plus 4 sin of x and 8 plus 3 by 2 is equal to 25 over 6. So this will be 25 over 6. This expression is what? F dash g plus g dash f. So if we integrate this, we get f times g plus c. So this means integral of 25 by 6 e to the power x over 2 times cos x by cube root of 3 cos x plus 4 sin of x dx is equal to e to the power x over 2 times 3 cos x plus 4 sine of x to the power 2 over 3 plus c1, which is the arbitrary constant. So if you multiply the whole expression by 6 by 25, we get integration of e to the power x by 2 cos of x over cube root of 3 cos of x plus 4 sine of x dx is equal to 6 over 25 e to the power x by 2 times 3 cos of x plus 4 sine of x to the power 2 over 3 plus c, where c is equal to 6 over 25 times c1. So yeah, this is our final answer.